Have you ever wondered if it's possible to see the past? How do we know what the universe looked like billions of years ago? And what secrets are hidden in the farthest corners of space? Imagine if you were sent 3,000 light years away from our world to another planet, and from there, with the help of a powerful telescope, you looked back at Earth. Do you know what you would see? Astonishingly, you would see Earth as it was 3,000 years ago, the time when ancient civilizations thrived. This means that this powerful telescope acts as a time machine. Of course, you can't travel back 3,000 years physically, but you can certainly see it. Now come out of your imagination and look at this machine, because this is the telescope that has the capability to observe stars and planets located millions of light years away from our world. And it has been built after 30 years of hard work. Welcome once again to this fascinating topic. This telescope, which NASA scientists have been developing continuously for the last 3 to 4 years, is now known as the James Webb Space Telescope. Costing $10 billion or 75,000 crore rupees, this masterpiece is the result of the hard work and dedication of thousands of engineers. It is the world's most powerful and complex telescope, capable of observing events in the universe that occurred billions of years ago. For this reason, many scientists also call it a time machine. NASA now has a tool that will soon uncover the hidden mysteries of Earth and the universe. But the question is, how can this telescope see events that happened billions of years ago? How does it work? And what will we be able to see through it? To answer these questions, it's important to first understand how we see things. When we enter a dark room, even though our eyes are open, we can't see anything. But as soon as the light is switched on, we start seeing everything. This means that for us to see anything, light is extremely important. Light, which travels at a speed of 300,000 kilometers per second, takes almost no time to fill a small room. But when this light travels across our vast universe, it naturally takes time to move from one place to another. For example, the Moon is approximately 384,000 kilometers away from Earth. Light reflected from the Moon takes 1.25 seconds to reach us. This means that what we see is the Moon as it was 1.25 seconds ago. Similarly, sunlight takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach Earth. This means that what we see is the Sun as it was 8 minutes ago. Now take Saturn, a planet in our solar system, which is about 1.6 billion kilometers away from Earth. Light from Saturn takes 1.5 hours to reach us. So, when we look at Saturn, we are actually seeing it as it was 1.5 hours ago. Even if Saturn were to break into pieces, it would still appear intact to us for 1.5 hours. So, saying that we are looking at Saturn's past wouldn't be wrong. In space, distances are not measured in kilometers, but in light years. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. For example, the Milky Way galaxy, which contains our solar system, is 125,000 light years wide. This means that light takes 125,000 years to travel from one end of the galaxy to the other. What's even more astonishing is that there are countless galaxies like this in the universe, but our eyes cannot see them because they are so far away that their light is too faint to reach us. To observe these distant galaxies and planets, telescopes are used. A telescope uses a curved mirror to focus even the faintest light, making distant objects visible. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, can observe galaxies up to 10 billion light-years away. But the James Webb Space Telescope goes far beyond Hubble in capability. While Hubble has a 2.4-meter mirror, the James Webb Telescope has a massive 6.5-meter mirror, capable of capturing 100 times more light. Engineers claim it is so powerful that if placed on the Moon, it could detect the light of a small candle on Earth. Additionally, the James Webb Telescope can detect infrared light. According to science, the light from galaxies and stars moving away from us shifts into the infrared spectrum by the time it reaches us. Infrared light is invisible to the human eye and undetectable by the Hubble telescope. With the James Webb Telescope, we will be able to observe galaxies and stars that we couldn't see before. The telescope is designed in 18 segments so that it can fold during its journey in a space shuttle. Once it reaches a specific position in space, its mirror will unfold. Since it is designed to capture infrared light, it must stay extremely cold. To achieve this, its sun-facing side is shielded by 6 layers of protective material, which, when fully deployed, will expand to the size of a tennis court. On December 25, 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope was launched into space. It will orbit 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth at a location known as the L2 point. According to NASA's estimates, it will reach this point by January 25, 2022. If everything goes as planned, the telescope will begin its mission to uncover the secrets of the universe. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for your love and support. See you in the next exciting video.